welcome to another episode of Metro Heights. I'm your host Athar. कैसे हैं आप लोग सब viewers? Well, viewers, आज हम हैं विष्णु लक्ष्मी टेक्सटाइल्स
विष्णु लक्ष्मी एंटरप्राइजेस
Enterprises. Vishnu Lakshmi Enterprises, which is an extension of brand Bottom Walas.
बॉटम वालाज इज एन एक्सटेंशन ऑफ विष्णु लक्ष्मी
Vishnu Lakshmi. Oh, so viewers, I think we have covered a lot many episodes in the past of this particular brand with very good response, and we are back again with some, kind of segment. Of course, the segment is bottoms and three-piece suits. Okay. So in today's episode, we are going to witness a lot of variety in bottoms and three-piece suits, cotton's three-piece suits, okay, pure and pure cotton. And viewers, here you will get both the buying options, retail as well as wholesale. So shop owners, resellers, okay, end-to-end, B2C, B2B, everybody can approach this particular brand. And this is situated in the heart of Jaipur, and it's in proximity to Jaipur International Airport. It's hardly 2 or 3 kilometers away. Anyway, the address has been mentioned in the description box. So the numbers are flashing on the video screen. So please feel free to approach them at any point of time. Okay. So working hours are from morning 11 until evening 7. And I think they work on all the days, right?
and we are not working on Sundays.
So Sundays is off. So by chance, if you're coming on Sunday, you'll have to wait for a day and you have to come visit the outlet on Monday. Okay, because the reason why I'm telling you to visit the store, because by visiting you get a very fair idea about what's happening. What are the activities that is happening in the outlet, in the premises? Because if I say something, then sometimes you guys think that I'm trying to exaggerate things, but that's not the case. So if you visit in physical, so you will see difference actually, and you will get to explore more and more stuff available here. So please make it a point to visit at least once. You can always shop online also from any corner of the world. That's our main objective, to host YouTube videos to make your life simpler. Okay. And in today's episode, let me help you out with some terms and conditions before we actually kick off. COD option is not available.
No COD option.
Yeah,
is not available.
shipping is absolutely free on retail bookings. Bulk buying is also available, as I mentioned earlier. And in bulk buying, you'll have to buy at least 15 pieces, 50 pieces, 50 or 100 pieces. Okay, that's the minimum limit, and maximum, of course, there is no limit. So try out, buying from this outlet and from this brand, I can say, and share your overall feedback in the comment section. And I see that there are so many happy customers across the globe who have done the purchasing in the past, and they are very happy and satisfied in today's time. And there are repeat customer orders as well when I say that. So viewers, I can vouch for the quality of the fabric over here. And of course, there's a genuine, honest team working here day and night. So you can approach at any point of time. If you have any doubts as per specifications, you can always let them know, and they will help you out with your queries. Okay. And deliveries across the globe, and no return, no exchange policy, which every store has to does this. So please adhere to the rules and regulations of the business. Parcel opening video at any point of time is mandatory. In case you come across any kind of manufacturing defect, you can highlight it with the support of it. Okay, so I think without any further delay, I will not take much of your time, viewers. I give control to Ashish. So sorry, Ashish, I didn't introduce you. I think it's happening most of the time with me. I'm not introducing the person who is standing in front of me, in the front of camera. We have two people here. So Ashish, of course, and Nikita. So I think there is a dedicated team over here. So they have been working. I mean, Nikita has been working from past many years.
Thank you very much, Athar.
Sorry for the long introduction, viewers. And sorry, thanks for bearing with me.
And also sorry for not introducing us.
All right. So,
Yeah.
what are we going to see today, Ashish?
We are going to see bottoms first.
Okay.
As we started to manufacture bottom, the initial thing. And then we came into manufacturing of kurtis, tunics, and then ultimately three pieces set. Today's agenda is to showcase the bottoms, which are going in the market from a long time, and huge response. All the big brands of South are working with us. You can just tell a phone a bit like this, and
I know.
Yeah.
Initially, I thought to cover this wall, but I
Yeah.
think because of lightning issue, we had to focus here.
And it would have been also a bit of stagnant in the video to cover that all the time. People would not be watching me. People would be always ऐसे भी काम करता है.
So I think you should also become one of their customers so that you also appear on this wall.
Oh my God, I'm just waiting for all the people to.
But where is my Metroids?
Yours is in our heart.
All right. Sounds good. Okay. So what are we going to see? Bottoms first?
Yeah, we're starting with the bottoms.
Okay.
आज bottom से चालू करेंगे.
Okay.
This is the simple basic range of bottoms. ठीक है, इसमें सबसे पहला आर्टिकल है ये नाड़ा पैंट है.
Yeah.
And this is our Monopoly fabric. This is pure cotton.
Achha. Is it flex?
It is flex. It is
Yeah,
heavy
I love
flex.
flex cotton. Huh?
It is heavy flex. It is
Heavy
not
flex.
the flex which is
More than
available.
flex.
It is more than flex.
Okay.
It is more of flex.
More of flex and more than flex.
So
Good. So I think they have very stylish kind of pants, na, because when it comes to bottoms, na, they originally came into being with this kind of manufacturing, bottom manufacturing.
Yeah. We started with bottom.
Very stylish pants, na. I can say that.
Yeah. So in this we have 21 colors and sizes from M to 5XL.
5XL.
Yeah, this is the second
So
pattern.
can you? Okay, sorry to bother.
No, it's
M to 5XL.
M to 5XL.
That means 38 to
That
38,
means,
na?
That means 38 to 52.
52. Okay. Fine. So I think recently only have come into plus sizes, or earlier
We
also
have
it
been
was
doing
like.
plus sizes from
Okay,
various
fine.
times. This is the second article. ये दूसरा article है. इसके अंदर ये दो darts हैं, दो pockets हैं, और उसमें जो side stitch है वो छोटा आएगा. ये trouser look है. Moreover, it is a trouser look, and it is a pant look, kurti pant look. Okay, in both the segments, 21 colors are available and all the sizes.
Good.
This is a baggy pant. This is
yeah.
of
Very nice.
Yeah, this is of to provide some comfort, some more comfort to all the people.
I know airport and airport lounge wear, airport wear.
Yeah, I think anywhere.
I think most of the
Anywhere
people
and
have to
everywhere.
just flaunt this here airport wear, airport look, just to make it very fancy. You can carry out you can wear it in the train also, viewers. Huh?
Yeah. I think you can wear it in your road trip also.
Yeah.
I think
So it's just the
it's
same.
most
yeah.
comfortable two pockets. थोड़ा सा कार्गो की जैसा स्टिचिंग रखा है
The
हमने
best
इसका.
thing which I liked about this pant is this kind of
This stitching.
styling.
Yeah. That is
Very
what
nice.
I also liked in the.
Very nice.
So in this also 15 colors are available, and M2 XXL.
What about the
sizes
pricing?
are- The pricing, all the three which I showed you right now are of 599.
599.
हाँ.
Okay. ठीक है.
And this is a Plazo parallel.
All right.
It is also 100% cotton,
Huh.
and obviously Plazo is the utmost comfort. And 21 colors in this also.
Okay.
हाँ.
So could you please show some few more colors
Yeah, sure.
like yellow and those
Yeah.
magenta pink?
I majorly
So
show you
he has a
this
color chart.
Color chart. I'm sorry because the color chart is a bit messy,
Amazing.
but still I think it will work for us. बाकी कलर्स नीचे आ जाएंगे. सारे कलर्स ऑलमोस्ट कवर हो जाएंगे. ठीक है, ये है हमारा वैल्यू एडिशन सेगमेंट है जिसमें साइड चिकन करके ये पहला आर्टिकल है. वेरी नाइस, गोज वेरी गुड. Then second article is this. We are selling this article from last 5 years and I cannot count the number of pieces we have sold. It
I
is
know.
very good.
एक मिनट ना. Beautiful laces. At the
बॉटम्स का सबसे ज्यादा वैरायटी है हमारे पास, और वैल्यू एडिशन पैंट्स में भी सबसे ज्यादा वैरायटी आपको हमारे पास ही मिलेगा जयपुर में. कॉटन बॉटम्स अगर आपको चाहिए गुड वैरायटी, देयर इज नो अदर प्लेस इन जयपुर, आई एम रियली श्योर ऑफ. And this is a guaranteed thing which I'm saying.
Good.
And the quality, we have worked on quality a lot. We have worked on fabric a lot. This fabric is not available in the market because it is monopoly constructed by us. And we have been selling it from last 5 years and it has a huge response. So go for it. It's a good one. Cotton bottoms means bottom walas means Vishnu Lakshmi. So they are different. These are different sort of, I think these are different sort of patterns we have in designer bottoms. You can find and you can take whatever you like.
All right.
Yeah. The pricings in wholesale is also very convenient.
Okay, so we won't be revealing those wholesale prices purely due to business reasons. So I think you can get in touch with the team. They will help you with the wholesale pricing in terms and conditions.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
for sure.
Yeah.
ये collection है सिर्फ white का.
These are all retail prices, ना viewers?
हाँ.
हाँ.
These are all retail prices.
For wholesale, get in touch with them.
Yeah. For retail also get in touch with us only.
Okay. Yeah, but prices are revealed.
Just kidding.
I know.
Yeah. Otherwise the video will be too serious.
Good.
So
good.
these are in whites. Okay, क्योंकि white color सबसे ज्यादा बिकता
हाँ, हाँ.
है. कुर्ती भी किसी भी कुर्ती पे चला जाता है.
हाँ, बिल्कुल.
You can wear it anywhere else also. मतलब किसी बढ़िया टॉपर के साथ जैकेट के साथ पहन सकते हो. It looks really good. So ये collection white का है सिर्फ. Okay. So different एक अपन उस पे नहीं जा रहे डिजाइन पे. बहुत सारा कलेक्शन है. आप व्हाट्सएप करिए, आपको सब व्हाट्सएप पे अवेलेबल
ठीक है.
ओके.
ऐसे एक दो
दिखा देते हैं. निकिता मैम ने बोला है तो दिखाना पड़ेगा. ठीक है. दिस इज वन ऑफ द डिजाइन.
So this is.
All crochet laces.
I mean the fabric is too good, huh?
फैब्रिक इज वेरी गुड. एक्चुअली इस फैब्रिक के बारे में खासियत है ना, वो इसकी स्टिफनेस है.
Stiffness. ये देखो नेट में है. और नेट भी अच्छा है.
बढ़िया सर. क्वालिटी पे तो बचपन से ही ध्यान दिया है. मम्मी पापा ने हमारी क्वालिटी पे ध्यान दिया.
कैसे?
हमने काम की क्वालिटी पे ध्यान दिया. बादाम काजू किशमिश खिला के हमने हमारी पेरेंट्स को खिलाया.
सही है.
तो अच्छी डाइंग, मतलब बादाम काजू किशमिश हमने खाए. हमने पेरेंट्स को जो खिलाया है वो है अच्छी डाइंग क्वालिटी, अच्छी स्टिचिंग क्वालिटी, अच्छी फिनिशिंग क्वालिटी, फैब्रिक क्वालिटी एटमोस्ट टेकन केयर ऑफ फॉर श्योर. ठीक है. ये है क्रीम्स का सेगमेंट. ठीक है. इसमें क्लासिक क्रीम्स कहते हैं हम इनको. बढ़िया. हम वही चीजें बनाते हैं जो आउट ऑफ फैशन नहीं जाती.
अच्छा एक बात बताओ, ये जो आपने बता रहे हो,
हाँ.
ये वाला कलर ये डायबल भी होंगे ना? अगर
हाँ.
कोई बोलेगा डाई करके दे दो इस डिजाइन में.
यस, ये डायबल है.
डायबल है
ये
ना?
डायबल है, बट हम डाइज नहीं कराते.
अच्छा, डाइज नहीं कराते?
हम नहीं कराते.
ओह.
यू कैन बाय फ्रॉम अस, यू कैन देन.
लेकिन कोई बल्क में लेना चाहे 200 पीस 300 पीस तो डाई करा दोगे?
फिर तो वो प्रोसेस ही अलग हो जाएगा.
अच्छा.
विल मेक इट.
अच्छा.
बल्क में कोई इशू नहीं है
अच्छा.
किसी भी चीज का.
चलो बढ़िया.
ओके. दिस इज डन.
गुड.
The bottoms are done here. We have plains, we have value edition with different colors. We have white and we have creams.
वेट.
Let's go. So हाँ, bottom finish नहीं हुआ है. क्लास कैटेगरी बाकी है सर. ये
अच्छा.
पैरेलल्स हैं.
पैरेलल पैंट्स.
हाँ, पैरेलल पैंट्स या प्लाजो आप कह लीजिए. अटमोस्ट कंफर्टेबल, बढ़िया डिजाइनिंग है ना. सिंपल और बेसिक, कैन गो एनीवेयर विद एनीथिंग.
सच में बॉटम से बहुत प्यार है सच में मुझे. ये आपके यहाँ के सच में. ये देखो ना, मतलब इसका लेसेस बहुत अच्छी लग रही है जो पूरा ज्वाइन करा है ना आपने. ये नीचे शिफली और ये वाली पैंट्स का थोड़ा, आई मीन ये पैंट्स ऐसी है व्यूअर्स, किसी भी इसके ऊपर कुछ भी पहन लो, टॉप है ना, और निकल पड़ो.
डिसेंसी हमारे.
प्राइसिंग क्या है इसका?
सर ये दिस इज 699.
699. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट.
Yeah, so the next is 3 pieces sets.
Okay.
And we have a huge variety of it.
All right.
And everything is going fantastic. The prints are very nice, the patterns are very trendy.
Okay.
And it is upcoming summer. गर्मी आने वाली है. सबको cotton चाहिए. Cotton is the most preferable fabric. From last 5 years, even more preferable according to the data analysis of India. So please prefer cotton, wear cotton from my side. At the same time, we start with the 3-piece collection. Okay, it is all cambric 60-60. है ना. दुपट्टा भी प्योर कॉटन है, पैंट्स भी प्योर कॉटन है, कुछ मिक्स नहीं है. ठीक है. जयपुर हैज द बेस्ट क्वालिटी टू ऑफर, ट्रस्ट मी.
All right.
है ना. So this is अजरक प्रिंट. These are 3 colors.
There are 3 colors.
There are 3 colors in this. This is blue, this is maroon, this is green.
Green.
Yeah.
All right. So okay, fine.
The retail price for all the straight 3-piece sets, the retail price for every design is 1399.
1399. Shipping
Yeah.
free.
Shipping free. And it has premium quality. Everything is premium quality. The 60-60 जो हम use कर रहे हैं, that is super dyeing and that is air jet quality.
And also the prints are screen prints.
The prints are screen prints.
All right.
Prints are screen
Because at this price they cannot offer hand blocks.
No, hand block cannot. The wholesale price of hand block will be this.
I know.
The retail of screen.
I know.
Yeah. I think hand block still has a bit of time to come. This is in plain, very सुंदर article. कट वर्क है. नीचे देखिए पूरा कट वर्क है. ये भी कट वर्क है. ठीक है. इसमें भी 3 कलर्स हैं. वेरी नाइस आर्टिकल. एंड इट हैज बीन, मतलब बहुत बढ़िया बिक रहा है. आई थिंक हर आर्टिकल अच्छा ही बिक रहा है.
Good.
3 पीस में हमने खूब मेहनत करी है ऑन द प्रिंट्स
Keep it
एंड द
here.
डिजाइंस. ये एक ए लाइन आ गया है बीच में, तो ए लाइन दिखा देते हैं.
A line, हाँ.
हाँ, ए लाइन का वैसे अलग मैं सेगमेंट
I
दिखाऊंगा
know,
आपको.
with gathers, huh?
With gathers, yeah.
And this has some amount of zari work also
Yeah,
on the
zari
neckline
work
and
also.
crochet laces. I mean, there is so much, I think.
Yeah, the piece is full of creativity and
Creativity.
simplicity at the same time.
Yeah. So, shop owners, what are you waiting for?
Please come to Vishnu Lakshmi,
Yes.
near to the airport, featured by Metro Heights, Athar Bhai.
So I think those who have skipped the ये भी यहाँ रख देना रोमा. So those who have skipped the introduction part na, so please go back and listen to my introduction wherein I have briefed everything about this brand, the location, the demographics, I can say. So you can check out there. So okay, next.
Yeah, this is so beautiful Ajrak printed 3-piece set. Ajrak is in trend right now too much. And that's why we have made it. It's very classy. और सब में हैंडवर्क, we focus more overly on handwork rather than computer embroideries. ज़्यादा हम हैंडवर्क पे फोकस करते हैं because उसकी जो लाइफ है अच्छी है.
It has some kind of some embellishments, huh? Here on the neck portion.
Yes. Something or the other. मेरे को हैंडवर्क बहुत पसंद है.
Tassels.
Little detailings.
What is this print called?
This is also Ajrak.
Oh, okay. This is also.
This is also Ajrak. See 3 colors. Ajrak का मतलब 4 कलर होते हैं मेजरली. ठीक है, ब्लू कलर, रेडिश मरून टाइप कलर, दिस इज ग्रीन कलर एंड ब्लैक कलर. अजरक मेन 4 कलर्स में बना जाता है.
Okay.
ठीक है, एंड रेस्ट ऑफ द कलर्स हैव बीन एडेड इन अजरक. फॉर एग्जांपल येलो इज एडेड इन अजरक. इट इज नॉट द
Indigo,
प्योर कलर.
indigo blue.
हां, इंडिगो, दैट इज ऑल एडेड, बट 4 कलर्स का मतलब अजरक है.
Got it.
या डीप शेड्स ऑफ दीस, है ना. ठीक है. दिस इज अनदर आर्टिकल. दिस इज प्रिंट एंड एम्ब्रॉयडरी. दिस इज कंप्यूटर एम्ब्रॉयडरी ऑल्दो, बट वी ट्राई कि हम ज्यादा से ज्यादा हैंडवर्क दें.
And this embroidery का भी grip अच्छा वाला है.
बढ़िया सर.
ये निकलेगा नहीं धागा.
क्वालिटी वाइज आप टेंशन फ्री रहिए बिल्कुल.
Polka dots.
Polka dots.
Okay.
Yeah.
So tell me something, Ashish. Will the color bleed?
No.
No, all are fast colors.
Fast colors.
All right. So no need to dip in the salt water.
No.
Okay.
So still we put a tag of dry clean only.
Dry clean only.
Because see we put a tag of dry clean इसलिए क्योंकि देखो ड्राई क्लीन तो हर कोई कराएगा नहीं हर बार, बट एटलीस्ट वो थोड़ा केयर के साथ वॉश करे. तो थोड़ा तो केयर चाहिए होता है कपड़ों को. अब आप बिल्कुल ही केयर नहीं करेंगे और उसको मतलब तो फिर तो वो जाएगा ही जाएगा, कुछ ना कुछ तो ऊपर नीचे हो ही जाएगा.
Now coming to this black.
This is one of the
Best sellers.
बेस्ट सेलर्स, बेस्ट प्रिंट. ये प्रिंट मेरे को देखे 10 साल हो गए, बट ये पुरानी नहीं होती. वायरल प्रिंट, बहुत ही बढ़िया आउटफिट है. सो द वैरायटी इज अमेजिंग एंड वी आर वर्किंग डे एंड नाइट विद ऑल द पीपल वी हैव.
Nice print. This show the blue one.
Yeah, sure.
Once again.
Yeah.
Very nice. Very nice. Very nice.
Yeah. So we are
ये साइड में
doing
रखना है यहाँ पे.
we are doing 50 pieces minimum quantity.
50.
50 pieces minimum quantity in 3 pieces, and we have more than 100 designs. And every design has 2 to 3 colors. It makes 200 to 300 designs.
So I think this place is spacious enough. So if you are visiting viewers, you can sit, enjoy the designs. You can ask for n number of designs. They
You can
will
ask
show.
for a good coffee. You can
Good
ask for a good
coffee.
tea.
They will treat you. They will feed you.
Yeah, for sure. Any day, our pleasure, our pleasure, our pleasure.
Just kidding, viewers. Don't serious मत लेना. ये देखिए. लेकिन हाँ, आ सकते हैं हम. डेफिनेटली आओ तो सब फायदा रहता है उसमें.
नहीं आके ही लेने में मजा है. और नहीं आ पाए तो तभी तो व्हाट्सएप और ये सब है. आई थिंक व्हाट्सएप पे सैंपल्स कर सकते हैं, आके ले सकते हैं. एनीवे एनीबडी इज कंफर्टेबल. सी दी ऑल आर द बिट्स एंड पार्ट्स ऑफ अजरक इज हैपनिंग राइट नाउ बिकॉज अजरक इज इन द मोस्ट ट्रेंड. दीज आर ऑल बिट्स एंड पार्ट्स ऑफ अजरक. ओके.
Good.
These has 2 colors.
Okay.
Yeah, brother sisters.
Good.
So now this is one more segment in 3-piece sets. So मैंने पहले आपको straight दिखाए थे, straight cut. We have more than 50, 60, 70 designs in straight cut. We have 30, 40 designs in A lines. मैं सारी डिजाइन नहीं दिखा रहा हूँ, वीडियो बहुत बड़ा हो जाएगा unnecessarily. If you like our designs, please WhatsApp us. We are very much happy to serve you. Okay, ये 2 colors में आएगा with computer embroidery. ठीक है, मोस्टली पैटर्न्स आर प्रिंसेस कट ए लाइन के. ठीक है,
और प्रिंसेस कट.
हाँ प्रिंसेस कट.
हाँ है साइड में है. ओके. फॉल्स मिरर की डिटेलिंग भी है.
यप, डिटेलिंग वगैरह का पूरा ध्यान है.
साइड में रख देना है.
क्वालिटी इज आल्सो गुड. So just go for it if you like our collection, and then we would be giving good discounts as well. If the quantity is higher than 100 pieces, if the quantity is like 150, 200 pieces, 300 pieces, we are ready to give good discounts.
Acha, I just forgot. I'm not able to recall. Are we also offering bulk buying in assortment or set wise only?
Now bulk buying and set wise only.
Acha.
Assortment में we do sell, but those are not the pieces which you can choose. I'll lower down the price like anything else.
Okay.
Okay, but the pieces will come according to us.
Oh.
The sizes and the prints, because assortment is like कि you take all the pieces, जो भी बचा है वो unset होता है. Unset को सब में 100 पीस भेज देना 3 पीस के, तो 3 पीस में सब आ गया,
अच्छा.
है ना. ट्यूनिक के भेज देना 100 पीस, सब आ गया. कुर्ती से भेज देना 100 पीस का, वो भी सेल कॉस्ट टू कॉस्ट.
ठीक है.
ओके,
ठीक है.
even below than that.
Okay.
So assortment is also there. You can ask, you can query. Assortment में 100 पीस रहेगा मिनिमम.
ठीक है.
ठीक है, प्राइसेस अच्छी रहेगी, पीस कंप्लीट फ्रेश होगा. मैन्युफैक्चरिंग डिफेक्ट असॉर्टमेंट वाला भी हमारा ही है.
ठीक है.
ओके, दिस इज अगेन ए लाइन. बहुत बढ़िया एकत प्रिंट का कंसेप्ट है इसके अंदर. 4 कलर्स हैं. वेरी नाइस पीस है, हमने बहुत बेचा है और ये अभी भी बिक रहा है और ये आगे भी बिकेगा. आई एम रियली श्योर. ठीक है, क्योंकि बहुत डिसेंट है. ऑफिस वेयरिंग के लिए इट इज वेरी गुड. This is as the summers are approaching, we are also approaching light colors.
Yeah. Very
Majorly अभी bright colors and dark colors में variety है, light colors in production है. आते आते आते.
कुर्तीज में भी साइजेस 52 तक मिलेगा. क्या अपर लिमिट क्या है साइज की?
The size is 38 to 46. 3 piece set में size 38 to 46.
ठीक है. बॉटम्स में 52 तक है.
हाँ, bottom 52 तक है.
ठीक है. साउंड्स गुड.
Yeah. बड़े sizes हैं 3 pieces में, but the designs are different. I'm gonna come on that afterwards.
All right.
We are doing bigger sizes, plus sizes in 3 piece sets.
All right.
This is also a wonderful article.
ठीक
ये
है.
सब मैं A line दिखाया आपको, है ना? Just to show that we are into A lines also. We're making good variety of A lines. See, this piece is very beautiful.
Very nice.
And the prints are very good. It is the upcoming approach of summer.
Good.
है ना?
Good.
This is also a very good piece. I think we have sold more than 1,000 pieces of this particular item.
Nice.
Very nice.
Good.
This is the pastel collection in straight
हाँ.
3 piece set. ठीक है, इसमें हमारे पास pastels, because summers are hitting, we have been preparing pastels और आगे भी और pastels में collection काफी आने वाला है, क्योंकि गर्मियों में light colors ही preferable हैं. हम 2 से 3 कलर बनाते हैं most probably, so that हर एक कलर का रिक्वायरमेंट पूरा हो सके.
बढ़िया है. बढ़िया पीस है. तो पूरे दिखाओ एक एक करके. एक ये ब्लू, then this is purple, light purple and red. Very good. ये भी सब साइड में दो. Yeah. And then some chicankari work, kurtis,
chicankari work,
machine chicankari.
Yeah.
With some fancy buttons. Okay, cloth buttons. And
Perfect for office wearing, casual wearing. हल्का फुल्का अगर आप बाहर शॉपिंग करने जा रहे हैं, even you going in some kitty parties and all, in casual wear, very nice. Cotton is the most comfortable fabric. And
so what is the retail price of these?
the retail price of these is 13.99.
13.99. Same na?
All the straight.
All the straights 13.99.
13.99. A line is 14.99. Anarkali is 15.99.
Retail prices.
Retail prices.
Okay. So out of एक मिनट.
Yeah, so pastels going on. Again, 2 colors. V-neck. V-neck is.
Let me tell you, we have some silver kardana and sequins and embroidery as well. Okay, and some hanging tassels.
एक पीस पे काम बहुत ही शिद्दत से.
Yeah, nice piece, huh? This one. So again, pastel chart.
Pastel chart, little bit of handwork, elegant print.
Some embellishments as well.
Yeah, an elegant work.
Yes.
Handwork is more which we focus on.
Yeah.
Segment of a 3-piece suit, it is Anarkali.
Okay.
Anarkali में हमारे पास अभी 30 to 40 designs हैं, and upcoming 30 to 40 designs are in production. Okay. So ये बहुत ही iconic design है Anarkali का. This is अंगरखा.
Yeah.
Handwork है दोनों side पे.
Yeah, design plus the print actually.
The print is also very fantastic. Actually 3-piece में सारा का सारा जो play है वो prints का ही है, majorly.
Nice color prints, huh?
Yeah.
Good. ये भी साइड में रखना है यहाँ पे. Next.
This is hand block inspired print. दूर से लगता है तो ऐसा लगेगा कि हैंड ब्लॉक पहना है.
Ah, I
Screen
know.
print.
It's a screen print. It's screen print actually,
हाँ.
but it gives the look of a block print.
ब्लॉक प्रिंट मतलब इन शॉर्ट ब्लॉक प्रिंट कॉपी किया है इसमें हमने.
अच्छा.
हाँ. और इसमें पिटन का काम है ऊपर.
What is that? Pattern.
दिस इज पिटन वर्क.
Okay. Pattern means पीट के बनाया गया वही
Yes,
वाला.
yes,
मैं
yes,
हमेशा
yes,
कंफ्यूज रहता हूँ यार वो beaten work है कि pitten work है. I am really confused.
I think
Perplexed.
हाँ मतलब पिटन इज बीटन वर्क.
हाँ मतलब व्हाट आई थॉट कि ना इंग्लिश को ना ऐसा हिंदी में बना दिया पिटन ऐसा बोल के. सो देयर इज नो सच वर्ड इन इंग्लिश. ऑलराइट. सो दीज आर द कलर एंड डिजाइंस.
These are the Anakalis going on. और भी बहुत सारी डिजाइन्स हैं. Again, I'm not showing the whole designs because we have a limited time.
ऑलराइट.
है ना. आई थिंक वीडियो 15-20 मिनट का बनेगा तो अच्छा लगता है. पौने घंटे का बन जाएगा 45 मिनट का तो कोई देखना नहीं चाहेगा. सो वी वांट द पर्पस इज दैट एवरीबॉडी शुड वॉच इट एंड टेक एन आइडिया ऑफ द टेस्ट वी आर मेकिंग. है ना. सो this is the taste we are making. This is our design. These are our prints. If you like it, you will get more. WhatsApp us.
Can you show one pull out one bottom and show
Yeah, for sure.
so that people get a fair idea?
Yeah. I show the dupatta in the bottom.
Yeah, dupatta in the bottom.
Yeah. So dupatta is malmal, 100 by 100 malmal.
So I think they have full width dupattas, viewers.
Full.
Sorry, I think we could not pull out the dupattas for the past categories of suits, but I think I insisted on having it showcased so that you get a fair idea of how it looks. What is length and width of it. So any which way, you can always request the team to have a video call. So they will show you the entire piece actually along with dupatta and pant.
No issues.
Yeah?
No issues.
Fine.
We do not have any issue. You want any kind of detail?
Yeah, detailing.
About any
Most
kind
welcome.
of-
Most welcome. Queries are most welcome.
Most welcome. I think for queries only we are doing this. So queries are most welcome. दुपट्टा का जो कट है वो 240 है.
240
रेडी 230 है. इतना दुपट्टा इनफ होता है.
230
बहुत
enough है,
बढ़िया,
हाँ.
बहुत बढ़िया दुपट्टा रहता है इतना.
ओके.
ठीक है.
तो मतलब
और
230 का दुपट्टा है. 2.5 मीटर की जगह 2.3.
हाँ वो 2.5 मीटर
2.3
का कट होता है. एक्चुअली ना 2.5 मीटर का दुपट्टा नहीं होता कहीं पे भी. मोस्ट प्रोबेबली.
और पैंट सारी रेगुलर फिट है ना.
पैंट सारी रेगुलर फिट है. देखिए ये पैंट का स्ट्रक्चर रहेगा.
कहीं कहीं पर आपको पार्शियली इलास्टिकेटेड मिलेगी, कहीं कहीं पर बैंड पार्शियली मिलेगी, कहीं कहीं पर फुली इलास्टिकेटेड मिलेगी. ठीक है.
हाँ this all other bits and pieces.
तो
of-
बिफोर यू प्लेस एन ऑर्डर सो you can get all the things clarified, so that there is no confusion at the later stage.
Done. Perfect. The Anarkali segment is over. Now we'll come to plus sizes. So this is the last segment of our video. This is the last collection we have to show. These are plus size 3-piece sets. 46 to 52. ये size रहेगा. Retail price same है 1399. Okay. Wholesale price में difference आएगा. Plus sizes में. और ये हमारा collection है. These are the prints. हम try करते हैं कि थोड़ा sober रखें, decent रखें, details दें, और most probably prints अच्छी रखें. So print is something we work on the most. हाँ और उसी से ही I think print का ही सारा खेल है. This is only majorly the print is the game in this.
I know when it comes to cotton, designs and prints play a vital role.
I think moreoverly still it's my personal experience, but prints plays the most vital.
Yeah.
Cotton में print अच्छा नहीं हो तो मजा नहीं
Any
आएगा.
additions is bonus.
Any addition is a bonus for sure.
Yeah.
And we try to put it in a not too much fancy, not too much funky. It should look decent because funky और जो भी होता है एक बार पहन लेते हैं, 2 बार पहन लेते हैं. आप 10-15 बार 20 बार नहीं पहन सकते. सोबर कभी भी पहन लेंगे आप. White t-shirt, black t-shirt you can wear anytime and number of times.
Yes.
Yeah. So ये हमारा 3-piece का जो है plus size का collection है. और भी designs हैं. आप WhatsApp करिए, we'll send you all the designs.
ये सब यहीं रख देना दिखाने के बाद.
Done.
Good. यहीं रहना. हाँ. Yes. Okay.
और हमारा जो प्रिंट सिलेक्शन है मोरओवरली थोड़ा सा हैंड ब्लॉकिश ही होता है. होती स्क्रीन प्रिंट है बट थोड़ा सा हम चूज करते हैं कि सॉरी
ये तो बादला वर्क है यहाँ पे और फैंसी बटन्स.
हाँ ये बादल वर्क है और फैंसी बटन.
Nice.
सो here we finish the 3-piece of plus sizes.
Yeah. Good.
That's all for today.
All
Thank
right.
you very much for watching the video. Thank you Athar bhai.
Thank you Ashish for showcasing so much of so many categories within cotton.
Yeah.
3 pieces and bottoms of course. And viewers, thank you so much for your patience and peacefully watching this video. And one more point I think Ashish missed, which he wants to
I want to convey.
Say,
yes.
convey.
Yeah. So I in this video we just shown only bottoms and 3 pieces, but we are also making tunics,
Tunics, short kurtis, yeah.
कुर्ती सिंगल कुर्तीज 2 piece सेट्स एंड कॉट सेट्स
Yeah.
मतलब हमारा फोकस जो है वो एक रिटेलर रीसेलर जो स्मॉल बायर्स होते हैं ना
हाँ.
यू नो वर्किंग फ्रॉम देयर ओन होम
Yeah.
वर्किंग फ्रॉम अ स्मॉल बुटीक ठीक है ना तो आप लोगों को पूरी की पूरी वैरायटी यहाँ पे मिल जाएगी बॉटम्स मिल जाएंगे 3 पीस मिल जाएंगे कॉटन में मिलेंगे मसलिन में भी मिलेंगे
Good.
2 piece कॉट सेट जो आप बोलेंगे वो मिल जाएगा दिस इज अ वन स्टॉप शॉप एंड दैट इज व्हाट द एजेंडा ऑफ विष्णु लक्ष्मी इज
Sounds good. So, and viewers, if you are interested in flex cotton suits, 2-piece suits, which are apt for office wear and home wear, so you can also discuss with the team. I think if you place a bulk order, they will be more than happy to work on it. Okay.
for sure
And with some handwork, because I'm fond of that segment, viewers. I think so. If you need it for your shop, so please approach them. Okay.
retail orders are welcome
Retail orders, wholesale orders,
are
B2B,
most
B2C.
welcome.
Okay.
Available.
Everybody are most welcome.
Yes.
So with this sweet note, we wind up and we will catch up with you very soon. Before winding up, thank you viewers for your love and support and thanks for trusting us basically, which really keeps our sorry. So thank you so much viewers for your love and support. Thanks for trusting us. And this really builds our confidence, okay? Confidence in us so that we get something new every single time, okay? Thank you so much, Ashish, and thank you, team. With this sweet note, we wind up, and we will catch up with you very soon in a new episode all together with some new collection. Till then, goodbye and happy shopping. Thank you.